Home Rule movement was continued here. Right? The Rowlatt Act, 1914 to 19 is First World War was continued. That time the British government strictly implemented. If anybody opposed the government, if any Indian suspected as a terrorist, just you listen carefully. If anybody suspected as a terrorist, they were imprisoned without any trial, without any interrogation, without any investigation. Just only suspect, then immediately they are imprisoned. This is the, if anybody is suspected as a terrorist, then immediately they are punished without any trial. So this is completely against the Mahatma Gandhi and also the father of Pakistan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. The both people are to against the Rowlatt Act. Mahatma Gandhi and Jinnah also against the Rowlatt Act. Gandhiji said the Rowlatt Act is a black act. Black act. Black act. Why? Because just you hear, if anybody suspected, that means it is completely violated the right to freedom of speech. That means the people have no right to express their views towards against the government. It is the system. So the Indian leaders mostly to against these Rowlatt Act. Rowlatt Act. Okay. Gandhiji said this is called as the Black Act. This is called as the Black Act. Then immediately Gandhiji called for all the people for hartals, bunds, to agitate against this act. Act. Okay. This is the Rowlatt Act. Okay. Next one now, Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. Okay. Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. Everyone know the incident. Jallianwala Bagh, where it is located? Nineteen April 13. April 13, Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. Where it is located? Amritsar. Where it is located? Amritsar in Punjab. Actually, this time most of the people in India to against the Rowlatt Act. Who caused the Jallianwala Bagh tragedy? General Dyer and O'Dwyer. General Dyer and O'Dwyer. General Dyer and O'Dwyer. These two are the British officers to responsibility of this Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. Mainly, why? What is the reason here? Actually, in the year April 1919, April 13, the Indian leaders assembled at Amritsar. Why? Because of against the Rowlatt Act. Against the Rowlatt Act. Actually, when the Rowlatt Act was implemented in our country, then immediately in Amritsar, these General Dyer and O'Dyer announced Amritsar or the Punjab as a restricted area. Means what is means restricted area? Means anybody not taken any type of agitations, any types of bunds, any types of speeches against the government. This is the system. That means 144 section. We know that 144 section. At the time of elections, we seen anybody not roaming or traveling like that into public meetings are not conducted here. So these type of restrictions were implemented by the General Dyer and O'Dyer in Amritsar. That time, the people of India to conduct the meeting at Jallianwala Bagh. It is one of the garden. It is one of the garden. Bagh means it is one of the garden. Here, secretly, the Indian leaders conducted a meeting. Okay, conducted a meeting. Why? Because of to against the Rowlatt Act. Against the Rowlatt Act, to motivate against the Rowlatt Act. To motivate against the Rowlatt Act. You understand? Why is the Jallianwala tragedy is caused by to against the Rowlatt Act? Where? Amritsar. Why? Because of the officers of the British to announce the restricted area as Amritsar. That time, the Indian leaders conducted a meeting at Jallianwala Bagh is a garden, secretly conducted, but it is spread and to inform somebody to the General Dyer and O'Dyer. Then immediately he come to the Jallianwala Bagh area, suddenly announced shoot and sight orders. This is the incident. Shoot and sight orders. He was ordered shoot and sight orders. Nearly thousands of people are in the assembly. Suddenly, the shoot and sight orders are given. Then immediately British officers to fire on the people. Nearly 500 to 800 of people are spot dead there. Why? What is the reason? There is no way to escaping from that area because of only one way. That's why the maximum people are killed in that tragedy. So it's Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. In which year? 1919, April 13. Why? Because of against the Rowlatt Act. The secret meeting was conducted in the Jallianwala Bagh is a garden. That time General Dyer and O'Dyer, the British officers announced the Amritsar is the restricted area. That time secretly the Indian leaders conducted the assembly to against the Rowlatt Act to motivate the people towards the Rowlatt Act, against the Rowlatt Act. Then immediately the General Dyer and O'Dyer is come and visit that assembly, and immediately he was ordered shoot and sight. Most of the people in the spot dead. Okay? Died there. Because of what is the reason here? There is no way to escaping because of only one way. It is the reason the most of the people were died. Right? Most of the people were died. This is completely criticized by the Mahatma Gandhi. That time, the great Indian leader, Udham Singh, just you remember the name, Udham Singh. Udham Singh was trying to kill these Dyers, O'Dyer and General Dyers. That's why he went to England went to England. But the time the General Dyer also died, but the O'Dyer was killed by the Udham Singh. O'Dyer was killed by the Udham Singh. Then immediately the Indian people to appeal the British government to agitate against the government. But the British government is completely ignore the people at the time. And also the British government to praised the Governor General Dyer and O'Dyer. What is the situation? He was not punished the Dyer. He was praised the Dyer. That is the situation. That means it is completely ignore the people. The Britishers are completely ignore the people. Then immediately British government to launch the Hunter Commission. Why? Because of to study the Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. Why? What is the reason for the incident? These are all the things they were studied and given the final report. What is the report? There is no any mistake of General Dyer and O'Dyer. It is completely mistake. Only the people's mistake. It is the report of Hunter Commission. Okay, this is the situation of Jallianwala Bagh. This is one of the incident. The Mahatma Gandhi is involved in the Indian national movement to against the Britishers. The Mahatma Gandhi called Hunter Commission is called as a whitewash. Okay, which commission? Called by whitewash? Mahatma Gandhi Hunter Commission. Why the Hunter Commission was fixed? Because of to study the Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. What is the report of Hunter Commission? There is no any mistakes of this is completely mistake of people of India. This is the report of Hunter Commission. Okay, next one. In the next, the Khilafat movement. And the final one is Khilafat movement. Okay, these are all before I entered into the Indian movement. Khilafat movement. Khilafat movement. Very simple it is. The Khilafat movement after the First World War. When the First World War completed? 1980 or 1990. After that, the Turkey government to suspend the title of Khalifa. What is here? Khalifa. Khalifa is the head of Muslims. Khalifa is, take the example of Pope is the head of Christians. Right? Right here, the Khalifa is the head of the Christians. Muslim people. After the First World War, the Turkey government was suspended the Khalifa power. That's why all over the Muslims in the world to against the decision of suspended this power. This is the reason for Khilafat movement. This is the reason for Khilafat movement. This is the reason for Khilafat movement. Okay, who led this movement? The Ali brothers, Shaukat Ali and Muhammad Ali. Shaukat Ali and Muhammad Ali. Just you listen. In which year? 1920. Where the Caliphate movement was started in the year 1920. What is the reason? After the First World War, the Turkish government suspended the power of Khalifa. That's why the worldwide Muslims are agitated against this decision. In India also, the Indian Muslim leaders are also to take the movement to against the British government. Okay. Who lead this movement in India? Shaukat Ali and Muhammad Ali. Those are the brothers. Shaukat Ali and Muhammad Ali. That time, this Shaukat Ali and Muhammad Ali was invited the Mahatma Gandhi to involving in this movement. Invited the Mahatma Gandhi. It is the time Gandhiji take the chance. Why? Because up to this moment, the Indian people, after the division of Bengal, little bit diversions among the people. It is the chance used to unite the Hindu and Muslim people. That's why the Gandhiji involved in this movement. Okay, 1920, the Shaukat Ali and Muhammad Ali was invited Mahatma Gandhi in this movement. And it is the chance to taken to unite the Hindu and Muslim people. It is also one of the movement done by the Mahatma Gandhi before the Indian national movement involved. Right, what we learn? These are all the movements like that Champaran movement, okay, Kada movement, Ahmedabad the cotton mill workers movement, and the Rowlatt Act, and another one the Jallianwala Bagh tragedy, and another one the Khilafat movement. These are all the movements not for the freedom of India. The small incidents, it is the regional problems in our country. Then after the Khilafat movement, Mahatma Gandhi was invited by the INC. Indian National Congress, to lead the national movement. They were appealed to Mahatma Gandhi to lead the INC. Then the Mahatma Gandhi was entered into Indian national movement. Okay, in the next session we are going to discuss about the role of Mahatma Gandhi in the Indian national movement. Okay, just we recall what we learned in this lesson. Overall, the brief history of the Mahatma Gandhi, where the Mahatma Gandhi was born in Gujarat in 1869. He was completed his barrister in England, and he went to South Africa, worked for the Abdullah, and he returned back to India in the year 1915. Then 1916 he was established the Sabarmati Ashramam, and 1917 he was led the Champaran movement, 1917 the Kheda movement, 1918 the the cotton mill workers movement, 1919 the Rowlatt Act, 1919 the Jallianwala Bagh tragedy, and 1920 the Khilafat movement. These are all the different agitations which is led by the Mahatma Gandhi. Next, he was entered into the Indian national movement. The next session we are going to discuss about this. Thank you.